This bot will print money for you on Vinted. It's helped thousands of sellers go from this to this. In this video, I'll go over how to increase your sales with a Vinted bot, the best Vinted bot, and some other tips to sell well on Vinted. If you're on TikTok, you've probably heard of Vinted bots, but I need to make one thing very clear. There's a difference between a Vinted bot and a Vinted monitor. Basically, a Vinted monitor will help you purchase items for cheap that you can then sell and make profit. The truth is, there are so many of these that it's hard to know what's good, so we've made a verified list in our community to know what's good. I've dropped a link to the Discord below so you can go check out our verified list. Trust me, I checked a lot. Now it's time to know the real way to increase your sales on Vinted. There's absolutely no point buying items if they're just going to sit there. This bot is what will get you consistent sales, and it's called a Growbot. Let me tell you what it can do. Number one, it re-uploads listings automatically. When you re-upload on Vinted, you basically get an algorithm boost. This means that Vinted will register your relisted item as a new listed item and chuck you right at the top of the algorithm, which obviously increases your chances of selling. The annoying part is that if you do this manually, it can take a lot of time, and you need to slightly alter your images, change the look of your images by cropping them slightly, and that again just takes lots of time. This bot though will do it 100% automatically for you. Number two, it can send and respond to offers automatically. When you have the bot, you don't have to message potential buyers offers and respond to offers. You don't have to worry about that. The bot will do it for you. The moment someone likes your item, the bot can send a custom offer to them. And the best part is that you can actually respond to bad offers and low ballers automatically as well. If you're selling on Vinted a lot, you probably have 100 people wanting your item for just £1. I just decline them all in one click. Number three, it can get you way more engagement. On Vinted, you can follow users and like listings. Believe it or not, doing this consistently will get more eyes on you. The annoying thing is that it just takes a lot of time to do it manually. Another great thing the Growbot can do is automatically follow and unfollow and like listings. Therefore meaning you can get way more attention on your shop without having to put in any effort really. Number five, cross-listing. This is the best part of using SellerAER. If you're already selling on Vinted and you want to sell on another marketplace like Depop, etc., SellerAER can do that for you automatically. SellerAER supports over 10 marketplaces and will just automatically list all your items that you have in your Depop over to the other marketplaces you have selected, which saves you a ton of time, but also doubles, triples your chances of making money and selling your listings. You can install the bot by following the link in our description. There's no complicated setup, it is simply just a download. Thank you so much for watching, I really hope you enjoyed. Remember, all our links are in the description. Go check out our Discord and the Growbot, as well as just SellerAER overall. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more reselling tips. And yeah, be sure to join the Discord community to get more tips and help on your reselling journey. Bye!